Yeah, it was a PACB conference in Orlando, and I sat in one of the educational seminars. And one of the things was you offered a free scorecard, and we took a look at that. You were able to send that back to us, and I don't know, we just seemed to kind of hit it off as far as talking after the session, and the information was really relevant. But then fast forward, I think maybe 2 years, right? That we reached out and said, "Hey, Joe, can you take a look at this and help us out with this, particular thing?" The projects and the deliverables have been really good for us because, we have processes in place and that sort of thing, but you were able to provide us kind of a roadmap and, kind of where we should be. And we were able to then take that and execute it and just feel a little bit better about what we were doing and how to move forward. It was just good to work with Jean and some of the others. One of the best exercises I remember that we did was the tabletop exercise. And people still talk about that. I think it was a year and a half ago. About a tabletop exercise, like who does that, right? But it really was a great exercise because we had every member of management there. So if somebody is leading a team, they were there. And the converse, we weren't quite sure how that would work out if people would participate, but they participated, and it really, I think, opened a lot of eyes and got discussion going. And the thing that continued to come to mind when I talked with our tech team was consistency, touching base consistency. The communication lines are open, but it was reaching out and saying, "Hey, I see this going on in the industry," or "I see, this is," because you guys, you work with a lot of other banks, right? So you can kind of get a flavor of, this is happening out there. You might want to pay attention to this. And that makes a lot of difference because, we're not recreating anything. This is what, we should maybe pay attention to. So that really makes a lot of difference. And in your human beings, right? You're not just a business trying to sell us something. It's very personal. The relationship means a lot. And, we talked about that at the beginning and how we met. But there's never a time that somebody doesn't say, if they don't have the answer at the tip of their tongue, "We'll find out for you." And they do.